Hello and welcome everyone. If you're new to this channel, my name is Amit Patel and you are watching Musings with Engineers Live. And if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, then subscribe to this channel, because on this channel, I'm going to share all the ideas, insight, tools and tactics that will help you to go from whatever level you are currently in the software industry, okay, to the epic level of success. Okay, so if you have not yet subscribed, then subscribe to this channel. So Ajish Shipi sir, what is the salary scale of full stack developer in India? See, full stack developer salary starts at somewhere around 5 lakh per annum. Okay, 5 lakh per annum, but it depends on your expertise. It can go, even for freshers, it can go anywhere for up to 7.5 to 8 lakhs per annum for a fresher. Okay, as you grow, then there are many factors which are involved, so you cannot determine whose salary will be how much. Forget about thinking about salary as a number of years of experience. Forget about that. Okay, because what will happen is, otherwise you will think that I can only get 10 lakhs per annum salary if I have 4 years of experience. That does not happen. Your salary is directly dependent on the value you create for the company. So as a fresher, you may get a less salary, but within 1 year, if the company feels that you're doing a really good job, then your company can raise your salary to the level that you're doing a good job. Okay. Product companies have more salaries than services companies. So that is also one more thing. Ajish CP, sir, I am Ajish from Kerala. Now I am studying full stack development. So what is the next step to be taken to work as a freelancer part-time job? As I told you, freelancer jobs, if you are beginning in freelancing, then and you don't know you have not yet done any single project, then it is better to take web development projects. Okay, even as a full stack developer, take web development projects which are easy for you to deliver. Okay, take simple website projects with a little bit of dynamic element where you can use your programming knowledge, but take projects which you can complete in 2 weeks to 4 weeks time. If you start taking any projects which will take more than 4 weeks, then you will struggle and your client will struggle, and then that is a full stop to your business of freelancing. In the beginning, learn this ropes of freelancing. Okay, if you know some freelancers, then see how they are doing a project, work with that, work as an intern for a good freelancer for a few months, work as an intern, learn the ropes of freelancing, understand how freelancing work, or get a job and learn how you work in a job and how you complete a project. Do that, and then you start freelancing. It's very important. If you are out of college, get a job. There is no other thing. Do whatever you want to do, but first get a job. Okay, so thank you very much for coming live on this channel with me, Musings with Engineer. Next live will happen Thursday 9:15 p.m. Thank you very much. Have a good day.